Watch this video to learn how to apply a fabric design or pattern using Photoshop. Use any selection tool to carefully select your subject. Make 2 copies of the selected subject by pressing Ctrl and J twice. Select the first copy. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Set the radius to around 8 to 10. And press OK. Go to File and Save As. Save the blurred image as a PSD file and name it Displacement. This file will be used as the displacement map. Press Save. You can now delete the blurred layer to keep your workspace clean. Drag and drop your design or pattern layer above the original subject. Completely cover the layer below. Right-click on the design layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. This makes the design visible only over the subject area. With the design layer selected, go to Filter, Distort, then Displace. Enter values 10 for horizontal and vertical scale, and press OK. When prompted, select the displacement.psd file and click Open. Set the design layer's blending mode to multiply. As you can see, the design blends nicely with the folds of the fabric. Go to Layer, Layer Style, and Blending Options. Hold Alt key and drag the underlying layer sliders to split, and adjust the highlights and shadows for a more natural blend. Press OK. We'll make sure it bends naturally with the folds and curves of the fabric, and it will blend perfectly with the texture to look real and printed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also press the bell icon to get notified about new videos.